Okay, here we are. We are on 20 pics. 20 pics. Yay, in Photoshop. All right, you're going to make a collage of pictures in Photoshop with a minimum of 20 pics. You can go more, just can't go less. All right, so let me show what you're going to do here. First of all, you got to think of a theme. My theme is going to be movie stars. Okay, your theme can be whatever you want it to be. All right. So we're going to start here with Photoshop, blue PS, Photoshop. If you don't have it in your quick start bar, go to Launchpad and go find the blue PS and drag it in your quick start bar if you don't already have it, and then click on it. If this is the first time that you use Photoshop on this computer, if I moved you, anytime it asks for if access to any folders, documents, folders, whatever, make sure you say yes, okay? Make sure you click OK. If you have any problems on that, call me over. All right, so we're going to go up here to New File in Photoshop. So we're in Photoshop, New File, and we want to go to Print up here under the New Document menu. We want to click on Print. We want to click on Letter to match the paper in our printers. And I want to go landscape with this. For the orientation over here, I want to go landscape. All right? And click create. Okay, so here we are. This is going to have a lot of layers. So right now we have our background layer. We're fine. Keep it locked. Keep it white. It's good. We're good. All right? We're going to fill all the space up with a bunch of pictures. So let's get started with the first picture. So I'm going to go to Google. And I'm going to go here to Google Images, right? Google Images. And you can see I put Elvis Cowboy in here. So you're going to search up in Google Images whatever the person you want to get is, right? So Elvis as a cowboy is the one I want. And I'm looking for the one where he's got a gun right here. This is a good one right here. Okay, so I'm going to click, hold, and drag that. So make sure this is windowed, right? So don't make sure it's not like that, because you won't be able to click, hold, and drag. So I'm going to hit this guy, the green guy here, and then you can resize the window as you need so that you can have Photoshop full size, but be able to drag easily into your workspace here. So I'm going to click, hold, and drag Elvis in. There he is. Yay. He's coming in on a new layer now right there. You're on the Move tool. I'm on the Move tool up here. So I can put him wherever I want. So I'm going to go up here to the top left corner, and I'm going to expand it out a little bit. All right, expand it out just a little bit. Now, it might be a little bit of a trim when you print, if you go to print this. So I'm going to come off the edge just a little, just so you know. Okay. All right, and then click out. Click out a couple of times so that you've got this. You could always move it again. If you need to resize, right, do a Command T to resize. And you're going to need a few more pictures in here before you start really playing with this. So I got to go get another actor. So I'm going to go here, back here, and now I'm going to search up. No, I want to search. I want Marilyn. Marilyn Monroe. Marilyn Monroe. And let's go find an appropriate picture of Marilyn. I think this picture is okay. This is a famous pose of hers. I think it's all right. We'll put her there and line her up next to Elvis. I wonder if they ever dated. Anyway, there we go. We got them there. And you just want to keep going. Now you can resize these as you need if you want one being a little bit bigger than the other. But just keep working on it. Keep working on it. So going back here to Google, and let's go with another cowboy movie guy, Clint Eastwood. Give you all my favorite actors here. Gotta like this one. Gotta like this guy right here. Right, will it go in? Oh, this one isn't allowing me to go. Why is that? Let's try a different one. Let's try this one. Uh-oh. all of a sudden we're having trouble here. Is it because they're copyrighted? This is interesting. Can I bring that in? Can I bring this one in? What? Okay. Why is this doing this? Why? Why? Okay, if you can't drag it, you're gonna have to right-click, save image as, and save it in your downloads folder. Okay? And make sure you name it. There's Clint. Okay? And click save. Now, I'm gonna have to go up here to File, Open. Let's click. Oh, I think I know why. It's because we were still in insert mode. All right, let's go back and grab that. I think we're good. I think we just figured out the problem. Yay, okay, that was it. All right, so make sure that you don't have those edit boxes around. So we got to click a couple times. Click done, and then click out. Click done and click out. Make sure there's no edit boxes, because that's going to prevent you from dragging in. Just figure that out. This is a nice feature that they do have, right? That they do have. Let's just make sure. Yeah, that's right. I'm going to actually switch it up. Delete this. If you want to delete something, just click on it and hit the backspace key. And then you can put the next one in place. Right, like so. Okay. All right. And you know what? You can go ahead and fill that corner. I want all the white space filled. I don't want to see any white space. And some pictures can be big like that, and you just kind of work around it. Also, on the layers list, you can see the layers we're building up here. You can move these around if you need one to be on top of the other somehow, if that's necessary. If you need a little bit of overlapping, you can control it by how you place what you have on the top. Whatever's on the top of this list is going to be on the top on your document. All right, so let me keep going here. Let's see. It's another actor that I want. Probably need an actress now. Oh, I know. Zoe Saldana. She plays so many cool roles, and I actually want her Gamora. Picture of her Gamora. When she was Gamora. Let's go with, which one do I want to go with? Which one do I want? Oh, this is kind of a good one. Which one do I want? I gotta pick one. Maybe this one. Oh! This one is going to be where it shows what she looks like in real life and what she looks like as Gamora. Okay, and again, make sure you click done and click out so that we can keep dragging. Okay. Anyways, you got the idea. You're gonna need a lot more than 20 to fill all this white space up, because there's 5. Well, there's 4, really 4, and well, I guess about 20 to 25 pictures. I'm calling it 20 pics, but you know, I want to see so many pictures I want to try to count. But don't go crazy on it though. Don't make this last weeks and weeks. Okay. This should just should be able to get it done in one sitting. All right. When you're ready, when you're done, we're gonna go File, Save As, or if the bell rings, make sure it says Photoshop up here. File, Save As. I don't know why I did that. Wrong one. Let's try this again. File, Save As, and we're gonna call this 20 pics, and keep it as a Photoshop document. Put it in your Documents folder. Click on your Documents folder. Click Save. Click OK. And then you can quit Photoshop. Now, if you're done and you're ready to export it, then you're going to go File, Export, Export As. And we want to change this to a JPEG. You know, I like JPEGs for photos. And as long as we don't need transparency. And then you want to click Export. It's going to be 20 pics. Make sure it's going into your documents folder. Of course, it's going to be a JPEG. Click Save. Okay, and then you can go up to Photoshop and quit Photoshop. Save it, yes, before quitting, always. And then, if I go here, and I go look for my 20 pics, there it is, 20pics.jpg. You want to submit that to the assignment and put it on your photo page in Wix to turn it in. Okay, you're done. Good job. Hope you enjoy this assignment. We're going to do another one like it, but we're going to go even more pictures. So don't go crazy on this one. 20 to 30 pictures, whatever it takes to fill up the white space of the 8.5 by 11. All right, enjoy.